two insulated copper spheres A and B have their centers separated by a distance of 50 centimeter. What is the force between them if charge on each sphere is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb? And one more thing in this question is given is that the distance between the spheres is much greater than the size of the spheres. That means the size of the spheres can be neglected as compared to the distances. So we will begin with the solution of part A, that is what is given. We are given with Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q, because charges are same, so it is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Now the distance is R is equal to 50 centimeter, which can be written as 50 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now as we know force is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square, and since the charges are same, so F is equal to KQ square by R square. Now we will put the values of K, Q and R. Now force is equal to 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 9, Q is equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7, 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Now 9 into 10 to the power 9, 6.5. Now we will write the values. 10 to the power minus 7 minus 14 plus 9, it will be 10 to the power minus 5. So 6.5 into 6.5 divided by the square of 50 is 2500 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. So I will divide the values by 5. It will be 1.3, it will be 500, it will be again 1.3, it will be 100. So I will multiply it by these values. So 9 into 1.3 into 1.3, 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2, and this is 10 to the power minus 4. So it will be 10 to the power minus 2. Now F is equal to, if I multiply these values, then I will be having value 9 9 81, 6 54, 2, and it will be 15.21 into it. If I bring this 10 to the power minus 2 to numerator, then it will be having value 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, and which can be written as 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. This is part A. Now we will begin with part B. What is the new force if each sphere charged double and distance between them is halved? If we will make the charge double and distance between them is half, then new charge will be Q1 or Q1 will be equal to 2 times of Q, and distance between them is half, that means R1 is equal to R by 2. Now new force between them will be equal to F1 is equal to K Q1 square divided by R1 square, and Q1 is having value 2Q, that is 2Q square divided by R1 is having value R by 2 whole square. So it will be 4KQ square divided by R square by 4, and this 4 will go here. It is 16KQ square by R square. So the new force F1 will be equal to 16 times, and KQ square by R square is the old force. So 16 times of old force, so F1 will be equal to 16 of 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So F1 will be equal to 24 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton.